Protox solutions for professional mould remediation since 2003. Protecting offshore wind foundations. Mould remediation ensures extended lifetime, reduced downtime, and safer conditions for technicians. Learn about the 5 key benefits and how Protox can support your project. At Protox, we are specialized in the removal and prevention of mould. For offshore wind turbines, moisture and condensation in enclosed spaces create the perfect conditions for mould infestations. Extended lifetime, reduced downtime, and a safer working environment are some of the reasons why mould issues should be taken seriously. Here are 5 key reasons to consider mould prevention in offshore wind foundations. Extended lifetime and reduced downtime. Mould removal and prevention ensure longer lifetime of foundations, components, and equipment, while reducing the risk of downtime and costly repairs. Improved working environment and enhanced safety. A mould-free environment improves health and safety for service and inspection personnel by minimizing allergies, respiratory issues, and the need for heavy personal protective equipment. Cost savings and lower maintenance expenses. Mould prevention reduces both planned and unexpected costs for cleaning, inspections, and repairs throughout the wind turbine's operational life. Compliance with international standards and requirements. Effective mould control helps meet HSE regulations, insurance requirements, and quality standards for offshore installations. Strengthens sustainability and reputation. A preventive approach to mould supports environmental responsibility, contributes to customers' ESG goals, and enhances reputation with investors and partners. MR20 from Protox is a specialized agent for mould removal and disinfection. Advantages of MR20: cleans and removes mould infestations, disinfects surfaces affected by bacterial growth, tested as indoor climate neutral, effectively removes bad odors, and with a coverage of at least 0.5 square meters per liter. The product is tested according to EN standards EN 1650, EN 1276, and EN 13697. MR60 from Protox is a specialized agent for protecting surfaces from mould infestations. Advantages of MR60: protects and prevents mould growth, prevents discoloration caused by mould, water-based and colorless, easy to apply by brush or spray, ready to use, and provides a coverage of 3.5 square meters per liter. Protox recommends always testing the products on specific surfaces before application. Thank you for watching. My name is Casper, and I'm an AI-generated technical consultant at Protox. For more information about Protox and our expertise in mould remediation, visit us at protox.dk/en.